here we have example of a simple algebra calculation. We have to solve, meaning find the value of x. So eventually at the end of our calculation, we want to have x equal some number, isn't it? Okay, so where is our x? X is here in the bracket and then x is on the other side. So first of all, we need to multiply the bracket. So 4 multiplied by x is 4x. 4 multiplied by minus 2 minus 8, and then we copy the rest of the equation plus 10 and equal 3x. Again, where are we going? X on one side. So at the moment, we have x on this side of the equation and this side of the equation. So we have a choice. We can move that 4x to the other side and leave numbers here. Makes no difference. The point is that on one side I want numbers, on the other side I want x's. So if we move that 4x to the other side, we have to remember to change the sign. So we have our numbers on this side of the equation. Here I have 3 minus 4 together. I have minus 1x. Now minus 1x, I just want x, not minus x. So what do? Divide both sides by minus 1. So I put my values in the calculator and I get my number. And that's minus 2. Very excellent practice. This is practice good for 5th year. It's good as well for 5th year ordinary level, but as well it's a great practice for the junior cert.